Hello, and welcome to an inspiring journey of transformation in the Gambia. What was once a problem of mango waste is now a source of power, income, and opportunity. Thanks to the groundbreaking efforts of Fortis Invicta and their innovative integrated modular refinery, discarded mango peels and seeds are no longer seen as waste. Instead, they are being transformed into clean energy, biochar, animal feed, and other export-ready products. This remarkable circular system is designed to cut emissions, reduce food waste, and energize local economies. It's not just about sustainability, it's about creating green jobs, particularly for women and youth who are at the forefront of this change. This initiative is a perfect example of how innovation and technology can turn agricultural losses into a climate-smart energy revolution. If you're curious to find out more about this incredible mission, visit www.fortisinvicta.com. Thank you for listening, and join us as we continue to support the remarkable journey from mango waste to sustainable energy.